taken 500 grams of chicken in a bowl and I've added all the ingredients mentioned in the video. Before making the chili chicken, we shall fry this chicken and keep it separately and use it when our sauces are prepared. In a pan I have taken chopped garlic, chili and oil. We shall fry it well, then add onion in it. Saute it well till it turns brown. Then we shall add capsicum in it. The ingredients that I have put is as per 500 gram chicken, 3 pieces of capsicum. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of white pepper, 2 tablespoons of Ajinomoto, salt 1 tablespoon or as per requirement, 1 tablespoon of red salt. We shall mix all the ingredients well on a low flame. Then I have prepared a mixture of sauce in which I have added 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce and a tablespoon of tomato ketchup. We shall mix all this well and add the chicken that we have fried and kept separately. Once we have added all the chicken, mix it well with the ingredients, with the sauces. Ensure that the sauce is mixed well with the chicken pieces. Keep mixing it for a minute or two on low flame of gas. Then for garnishing we will add spring onions over it. Spring onion gives a very nice fragrance for your food. And then your chicken chili is ready to serve.